Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is 5 great events of life of Buddha. They are birth of Buddha, Mahabhishkramana, Sambodhi, Dharmachakra Parivartana and Mahanirvana. Each and every event is associated with a place and a symbol. Now let us discuss these 5 events one by one. First is birth of Buddha. He was born into a royal family of Sakya clan which ruled from Kapilavastu in Lumbini, which is situated near the Indo-Nepal border. The symbol is lotus. Next, Mahabhishkramana. At the age of 29, Gautama left home and rejected his life of riches and embraced a lifestyle of asceticism or extreme self-discipline. He left the palace riding the horse. So the symbol is horse and the place is Kantaka. Next is Sambodhi or enlightenment of Buddha. Buddha attained enlightenment under a Bodhi tree or a peepal tree in a place called Gaya in Bihar at the age of 35. Buddha is a practical and pragmatic philosopher. He got enlightenment on the 49th day of meditation. He is also known as Tathagata because it means one who comes to know the truth. Next, Dharmachakra Parivartana. The first sermon of Buddha is held at Sarnath. The symbol is Ashtanga Marga, which is chakra with 8 spokes. It differs from the chakra on the Indian flag, which has 24 spokes. Next, Mahaparinirvana. Gautama Buddha died at the age of 80 at a place called Kusi in Uttar Pradesh. The symbol associated is stupa. A sacred structure was built upon the relics of Buddha. It is a semi-domicile structure with prakaras and toranas. It has no sanctum sanctorum. The space between prakara and anda is known as Pradakshina Pada, that is the path of circumambulation. Now let us discuss a previous year question based on this. This question is repeated twice in UPSC, so pay attention. Which one of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddha? Avanti, Gandhara, Kosala and Magadha. The correct answer is Kosala and Magadha, that is D. Thank you.